Do you want to know about 10 websites that will pay you with actual money within 24 hours working from home? If yes, then you are at the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to teach you about 10 websites that will pay you within 24 hours working from home. Isn't it a little too wonderful to be true? Before we begin, welcome to the Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making money online. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns about it, be sure to leave some comments below. So without any further ado, let's go to number 10, which is known as CUNY. CUNY will compensate you for online shopping. They'll also pay you to participate in surveys and many easy tasks like Googling anything on Google or Bing. One of the wonderful things about CUNY is that they don't pay you with gift cards, like many other businesses that perform similar stuff. They will pay you in cash. So all you have to do is to take advantage of CUNY and download the app on your computer or phone. And then you'll simply do things you do anyway, like browsing on Google or Bing, or purchasing at your favorite online retailers. This time though, you will be compensated in cash for your efforts. The ninth app is named Field Agent. And essentially, Field Agent will pay you up to $12 per hour to accomplish random chores. For example, you have downloaded the app, and one of the local assignments in your neighborhood is to go inside a grocery shop and snap a picture of a certain brand of any country using your phone. And I know that it sounds weird, but don't worry because this is exactly how the app operates. Large brands and corporations want to observe how their items are exhibited in grocery stores. They want to see a variety of things. As a result, they will offer local employment advertisements in your region. You can download the app for free and earn up to $12 per hour just by going to the grocery store. However, the task may vary according to the region you are from. You now have 120 minutes to finish a job after accepting it, according to the Field Agent website. So make sure that you can complete the assignments within 2 hours after accepting them. Furthermore, Field Agent states on their website that they do provide work from home opportunities as well. Number 8 is called Google Opinion Rewards. Most of us have undoubtedly heard of Google. So what Google Opinion Rewards does is that it collaborates with huge brands and corporations from all around the globe that want user and customer input from individuals like you. And Google will pay you in the form of gift vouchers if you have an Android phone. If you have an iPhone, you can get it paid with real money. And the rationale for this is based on all of the data that they've gathered about what's most important to companies. And so if you have an Android, you may get paid in gift card credits, which is quite fantastic because if you rent movies, download applications, or utilize Google in any manner, gift certificates can be equivalent to cash. Alternatively, if you have an iPhone, you may get paid directly to your PayPal account, and being paid on Google Opinion Rewards is really rather simple. All you have to do is go to the website, sign up, and fill out some really fast and simple questions about your thoughts on things, companies, and specific goods, and you can be paid for it. Number 7 is named Bird. Bird is a rapidly growing and very valuable business that enables you to hire electric scooters from all around the globe at specific places. Obviously, if you reside in a bigger city, this one will be more effective. But even if you don't, you can still take advantage of Bird as they come into your city. Basically, you can download the Bird app and look for scooters that need to be charged, and Bird advertises that they'll pay you between $5 and $20 per scooter, depending on where the scooter is and how difficult it is for you to actually go get it and then recharge it. But this is really simple. All you have to do is go pick up the scooter, bring it back to your home, charge it, and then leave it out for other people to enjoy and take advantage of it the next day. So obviously, if you have access to a truck, a vehicle, or some other means of transporting things, it will be a lot simpler. This is especially important for persons who have access to a car and can use it to earn enough money to make the effort worthwhile. 6th is a corporation named OneSpace. OneSpace is comparable to other websites that you may have heard of, like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can really be paid to work as a freelancer on the site. OneSpace will pay you to complete tasks such as inputting receipts into a database, writing content pieces, or doing research. So if you're capable of executing small freelancing work like the 3 I just mentioned, OneSpace might be a good alternative for you. To apply, just go to the Freelancers Apply area, fill out your details, state what services you give, what languages you speak, and what you're truly interested in. Then, there will be a question of how you want to be compensated. In the fifth place is a website called GigWalk. Now, GigWalk is very similar to Field Agent. GigWalk will pay you to accomplish a number of various activities, such as verifying a price tag at a grocery store or photographing a product, brand, or firm. So these kind of websites don't have a lot of tasks you can do, so you don't want to sign up for just one service. You want to sign up for all of the services and take advantage of all of the different tasks that they offer to maximize your earning potential. Oh, and if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to click the bell to get up-to-date notifications. The fourth option is a website called Scribbleby. Scribbleby enables you to be paid to transcribe video into text. It may seem to you that transcriptions aren't that useful, but there are many people who make use of these services. Because so much business is now done on social media and in digital form, transcribing is more popular than ever. Now, this is pretty simple to accomplish and to earn money with, and the better you are at typing and the quicker you type, the more money you will make. It also has to be grammatically correct. And if you're not excellent with grammar, you can use Grammarly or other free accessible choices to genuinely improve your accuracy, grammar, and typing skills to earn even more money utilizing sites like Scribbleby that will pay you to transcribe films and audio into text. Number 3 is called ClearVoice. What ClearVoice enables you to do is generate content for huge businesses such as Carfax, LifeLock, and other significant brands that need assistance in developing written material for their branding and online presence. To apply for work with ClearVoice, just go to the section that outlines how it works, scroll for freelancers, and then establish your profile. They promote that it's more than just a freelance writing job, that it's a step up the business ladder. And so, as you grow better at generating content for these huge organizations, you can get paid more for it and receive more consistent work from them. So, if you think writing would be something you might learn to enjoy, ClearVoice is certainly worth checking out. The second website is called UserTesting, and it enables you to be paid up to $60 per hour to test out things from the comfort of your own home while working over Skype. And the reason you can do that is because there are software firms and other multi-million and even billion-dollar corporations who require input on their applications, products, websites, and everything else they're doing. As the globe increasingly moves towards the internet and digital era, these companies, which have been around for a long time, rely on real people like you to provide feedback on their user interface. That how easy it is to use their website, where people get confused, and how to consistently create a more user-friendly experience for their customers, as this directly translates into more profit for the company. They're prepared to pay individuals to perform simple things like check into a website or provide comments on the appearance of an app on your phone. To sign up for user testing, just go to the user testing website, click on Get Paid to Test, and you may earn up to $60 each test. It's a piece of cake. All you have to do is input your email address, click to sign me up, and you can be paid through PayPal for doing something as basic as visiting websites or applications. So number 1 is what I like to refer to as marketer agency. Now, marketer agency is actually much simpler than it may sound. As you all know, world is changing and mostly people now use social media, and the companies on this website pay you for making ads for them. So, if you can put up a simple advertising that takes less than 5 minutes to set up, you may be paid $1,000 to $2,000 or more by real estate brokers in your region to set up very simple social media ads. This website is called Marketer Magic, where during your free 7-day trial, you may search for hundreds or thousands of real estate agents in your city or region for free. And the Marketer Magic tool allows you to contact all of them personally. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let me know in the comments below. With this, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. I hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take actions, make that money, and take care.